Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is going to be my first ever official cooking video. Are we excited? I'm excited. I just want to start off by saying thank you guys so much for all of your amazing responses on my last couple of videos, and I hope you're excited to dive into cooking with me. Since this is my first cooking video, please bear with me. I'm praying that it goes well. So today we're going to be making a roast chicken. This is one of my favorite recipes. This is something that I make anytime I have friends over or I want to cook for my family. This is like a showstopper, and it's really easy. If you're not cooking for friends or family or for a large group, this is a great thing to make at the beginning of the week, and it will last you quite a few days, and you can turn this chicken into so many different dinners, lunches, breakfasts, tacos, salads, enchiladas. I mean, the possibilities are really endless. Without further ado, let's get into this video. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So for this recipe, you're going to need a few things. First being a whole organic chicken. You're also going to need oranges. I prefer blood oranges. If you only have access to regular oranges, that works as well. You're also going to need some herbs. I always use sage and thyme, and then sometimes I'll switch up my other herbs depending on what looks great at the store. You can use rosemary, you can use lavender, which is what I will be using today. You're also going to need some garlic. Just buy a full head of garlic and use as much as you need. I would say it's anywhere from 5 to 10 cloves, depending on your preference. And the last thing you'll need is salt and pepper. This is a super simple recipe. It is about 10 to 15 minutes of hands-on time. You're gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours. You're gonna forget about it. You're gonna go about your day. The number one thing I wanna encourage you guys to do is mise en place. Before you do anything is to get all of your ingredients out and prepare them. Chop whatever you need to chop, measure whatever you need to measure out. Just get it all laid out in front of you, nice and organized and clean. If you start cooking and you're not prepared and you don't have everything measured out, that's when it really turns to a shit show. Please, mise en place. Thank you. So obviously the first step in this recipe is to mise en place all of your ingredients. You're going to roughly chop your herbs, your garlic, and cut up your oranges. To stuff your bird. So oranges, herbs, garlic, salt, repeat. Next step is to season the outside of your chicken. The last step is to put it in the oven for 2 hours and forget about it. Go live your best life. Go play Animal Crossing, go watch a movie, take a shower, get ready, do your makeup. I need to set my timer. That would probably be super helpful. I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour and 45 minutes. This is the first time I'm roasting a chicken in this oven because I just moved into this apartment. So I'm going to set the timer for less than 2 hours. I'm gonna check on it, and then if I need to cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes, I will. So I will see you guys in 1 hour and 45 minutes to check on the chicken. Okay.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, we're back. I've come to the conclusion that it is ready. roast chicken recipe. Here is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you make this, please send me photos and let me know how it turns out. Feel free to leave any other food video ideas down below. Let me know what you guys want to learn how to make. I really appreciate all of your guys' support. I'm so happy to be back and happy to be in the kitchen with you guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you next week. Bye!